Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn broadcast YouTube video in remote PC in Metasploit. This module will broadcast a YouTube video on all compromised systems. It will play the video in the target machine's native browser in full screen mode. The vAD data store option is the v parameter in your YouTube video's URL. Let's open up MSF console. Here I already created Meterpreter session. Type sessions. You can see activated session. Let's load the play YouTube module into the MSF console. Type use post/multi manage play_YouTube. Type info. Here you can see module information. The sessions to run this module on. vID the video ID to the YouTube video. Let's set the session. Type set session 2. Type set vid gav11 and so on, which is the video ID of the video which you can get from the YouTube. Let's execute it. Type exploit. Here you can see that gav11, the video with this ID, is broadcasting in victim PC. So that's it in this video on broadcasting YouTube video in remote PC. Thank you for watching this video.